Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we dive deep into the world of Amazon's most amazing tech and gadgets to see what's truly worth your hard-earned cash. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a review. And a quick heads up, every single product we talk about today, I'll have direct links for you down in the video description below. Let's jump in. First up, a quick bounty alert from Amazon itself. If you or someone you know is expecting, you have to check out the Amazon Baby Registry. It's your one-stop shop for all baby essentials, with killer perks like a free welcome box, a huge completion discount, and even a diaper fund for group gifting. Seriously, it makes preparing for your little one so much easier. Alright, let's get into our first incredible find. This isn't your average gadget. This is a home and car lifesaver. I'm talking about the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner. This compact powerhouse is Amazon's choice for a reason. It tackles over 100 different stains and odors on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Think spilled coffee on the sofa, pet accidents, or muddy footprints in your car? Just spray, scrub, and suction. It's scientifically proven, comes with specialized tools, and even has a large tank so you can clean without constant refills. Plus, every purchase helps save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. For deep cleaning on the go, this gadget is an absolute game changer. Moving from cleaning tech to kitchen tech, our next gadget is for anyone who's tired of guessing games with their breakfast. Check out the Merity 2-Slice Smart Toaster. This isn't your grandma's toaster. It features a sleek, contemporary design with a full 4.4-inch touchscreen control panel. You can perfectly customize your toast with 6 browning levels and dedicated settings for bagels, muffins, waffles, or even gluten-free breads. It also has defrost and reheat functions. Just tap the screen to select your preference, and it uses a pre-programmed smart cycle to get it right every single time. It's a simple upgrade that brings a serious dose of modern, reliable tech to your morning routine. Now, let's talk about a gadget that redefines convenience for guests, or even a quick room makeover. This is the Simpli Comfy Queen Easy Bed Air Mattress. Forget everything you know about flimsy, frustrating airbeds. This is a complete, self-contained sleeping solution. It features a built-in frame and a powerful integrated pump for fast, one-touch inflation and deflation. But the real genius? It's on wheels. The entire unit packs into a wheeled case, so you can literally roll a queen-sized bed from your closet to the living room in seconds. It uses something called comfort coil technology to prevent sagging and provide stable, even support all night long. It's the ultimate piece of tech for maximizing your space and being the host who's always prepared. Okay, prepare to have your mind blown. This next piece of tech feels like it's straight out of the future. Meet the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni-Portable Window Cleaning Robot. Let's be real, cleaning windows is a chore nobody loves, and it can be downright dangerous. This robot eliminates all of that. It's a fully automated cleaner that uses intelligent path planning to systematically clean your glass. It features a triple nozzle water sprayer and a wet cloth for a streak-free shine. The most impressive part? Its dual power system lets it run on a battery for over an hour for spots without an outlet, or plug it in for continuous cleaning on large surfaces. It even comes with its own multifunctional station that acts as a charger, stabilizer, and storage case. This isn't just a gadget, it's your personal window washing assistant that tackles a dangerous job with absolute precision. Switching gears to a piece of smart tech that can seriously upgrade your daily health routine. This is the Daviky Daily Pill Dispenser. This is a massive leap from those tiny, frustrating plastic boxes. It's a large 14-day organizer with a genius push-button design. You just give it a light press, and your pills pop right out. No fumbling, no struggling, which is a game changer for anyone with arthritis or dexterity issues. It can be wall-mounted for a central location or sit on your counter. It even comes with a colorful, upgraded labeling kit with AM, PM, and rainbow labels to make organizing vitamins, supplements, and medications simple and clear. It's a small piece of tech that brings huge organization and ease to an essential part of your day. Next up, let's revolutionize your kitchen game, especially before the big holidays. This is the Homaider electric carving knife. If you've ever struggled to carve a turkey, a roast, or even slice a dense loaf of bread evenly, this gadget is your new best friend. It takes all the effort and guesswork out of slicing. With its powerful motor and serrated stainless steel blades, it glides through meat, bread, foam, and even fillets with zero pressure and perfect precision. It features an ergonomic, lightweight handle for easy one-handed control and comes with a super long power cord for flexibility at your counter. It even includes a serving fork. This isn't just a knife, it's the tool that guarantees you picture-perfect professional slices every single time, making you the undisputed carving champion. Now, let's talk about a game changer for summer adventures or even just a hot room in your house. This is the Outohome 5200 BTU portable air conditioner. This compact, powerful unit brings serious cooling anywhere you have power. It's built for life on the go, perfect for your tent while camping, your RV, a truck, or even just a stuffy home office or garage. With a high-end compressor, it can drop the temperature by 18 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes. It features a digital display, timer, adjustable fan speeds, and weighs only about 35 pounds with a convenient carry handle. So whether you're beating the heat in the great outdoors or need a flexible cooling solution indoors, this portable AC is the ultimate piece of climate control tech you can take with you. Moving on to a gadget that solves a very specific but common problem. This is the YMXA 16L mini laundry machine and spinner. Think of it as your personal portable laundry station. It's perfect for washing delicate items like baby clothes, underwear, or socks separately from your main load, keeping things hygienic. It's a huge space saver for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or camping. With a 16-liter capacity, it can handle multiple small items at once, and it even has a built-in spinner to help get clothes drier faster. It's foldable for compact storage and uses minimal water and electricity. If you need a convenient, efficient way to tackle small laundry loads anywhere, this compact washer is a brilliant piece of practical tech. Now, for a gadget that truly pushes into the future of creation and design, this is the CreaCity CR-Scan Ferret Pro 3D scanner. This handheld device lets you capture the physical world and turn it into a digital 3D model with incredible ease and precision. With an accuracy of 0.1 millimeters, anti-shake tracking, and full-color scanning, it can capture everything from a detailed figurine to a piece of furniture for archiving, 3D printing, or digital projects. It connects wirelessly via Wi-Fi 6 to your PC, Android, or even iOS device, making it highly portable. Whether you're a hobbyist, a cosplayer, an engineer, or just love cutting-edge tech, this scanner opens up a whole new world of digital fabrication and creativity right in the palm of your hand. Let's shift to a tool that upgrades a classic DIY staple. This is the HOTO cordless auto-dispensing glue gun. This is not the bulky, tangled, slow-heating glue gun you remember. It's a sleek, smart, and incredibly user-friendly tool. It preheats in just 30 seconds and features one-touch automatic glue dispensing. No more squeezing a trigger until your hand cramps. It runs on a powerful 3000 mAh battery for true cordless freedom, or can be used plugged in for marathon crafting sessions. It comes with 40 glue sticks, includes safety features like auto shutoff and anti-scald design, and is perfect for everything from quick home repairs to kids' crafts and detailed DIY projects. It's the modern, hassle-free way to stick things together. Next up, a piece of tech that makes exploring the microscopic world accessible to everyone. This is the Carson MicroBright Plus Pocket Microscope. This isn't a toy microscope, it's a legit precision optical tool that fits right in your pocket. With 60 to 120 times magnification and a bright LED light, it lets you examine everything from plant cells and insects to fabric weaves and coins in stunning detail. It's the perfect educational STEM toy for students, a fantastic tool for hobbyists, or just a fun way to see the world from a completely new perspective. Its compact, durable design makes it ideal for the classroom, lab, or outdoor adventures. For the price, it's an incredible gateway into the wonders of science and observation. Now for a piece of tech designed not for your home, but for your mind and hands. This is the ONO Roller, a premium handheld fidget toy for adults. In a world full of stress and distraction, this sleek silicone roller is engineered to help you focus and find calm. Its smooth, full-motion rotation engages your fingers and hand muscles, helping to relieve anxiety, tension, and restless energy. It's compact, portable, and incredibly satisfying to use at your desk, during meetings, or while traveling. It's more than just a toy. It's a tactile tool for mental clarity and stress relief. If you're looking for a discreet, effective way to manage daily stress, this innovative gadget is a brilliant solution. Up next, a gadget that redefines personal grooming for the on-the-go lifestyle. This is the Yoose Alloy Mini Electric Shaver. This isn't your dad's bulky shaver. It's an incredibly compact, premium device about the size of a pair of wireless earbuds designed to slide into any pocket or travel kit. Despite its tiny size, it delivers a full 60 minutes of cordless runtime on a USB-C charge. It's IPX7 waterproof for easy cleaning, features a magnetic detachable head, and offers a close, comfortable dry shave. Perfect for quick touch-ups at the office, in the car, or while traveling, this mini shaver is the ultimate blend of high-tech design and everyday convenience for the modern man. Now, let's talk about a humble but absolutely essential piece of tech for anyone who uses cameras, drones, or even modern smartphones. This is the Docketeck 5G Super Speed SD card reader. This compact 3-in-1 adapter is a powerhouse for data transfer. It reads SD, micro SD, and even has a USB-A port, all at blazing USB 3.0 speeds up to 10 times faster than old USB 2.0 readers. It supports OTG, on-the-go functionality, meaning you can plug it directly into your iPhone, 15 Android device, MacBook, or PC for instant file access without a computer in the middle. It's the perfect, reliable companion for photographers, videographers, and content creators who need to move large files quickly and effortlessly. For our next pick, we're blending vintage style with modern simplicity. This is the CHUZHAO Mini Retro Digital Camera. Inspired by classic twin-lens reflex designs, this adorable camera is a perfect entry point into photography or a fun, portable option for casual shooting. It captures 12-megapixel photos and 1080p video with autofocus, all packed into a body that's smaller than your smartphone. It comes with a 16GB card, has a long-lasting battery, and is incredibly easy to use. It's a fantastic, affordable gift for teens, beginners, or anyone who appreciates a stylish gadget. It proves you don't need a huge, expensive setup to start capturing memories with a touch of retro charm. And that wraps up part 1 of our look at 20 amazing Amazon tech gadgets, from cleaning robots and portable ACS to 3D scanners and pocket-sized microscopes. We've covered some seriously innovative finds. If you enjoyed this roundup, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because part 2 is coming soon with even more incredible gadgets. Let me know in the comments below which product from today's video was your favorite. Remember, all the products we talked about are linked for you down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.